Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure basic prerequisites are silently correct. Internet, date/time, and account sign-in. First, confirm your device has consistent connectivity. Switch to wired or a hotspot if needed. Next, check your Microsoft account credentials and any two-step verification prompts so authentication won't block sync. Once done, fully exit OneDrive from the system tray and relaunch it from start. This forces a fresh sign-in handshake and reveals immediate authentication errors you can act on. Now you'll remove stale credentials and eliminate network interference. Open Credential Manager and delete OneDrive and Microsoft tokens so Windows will request fresh login data. This removes corrupted entries that silently block connection. Then, flush DNS and restart the network adapter to clear routing and cache issues. Disable VPNs and proxies temporarily to ensure direct connectivity. After that, run the OneDrive reset command. It clears the app's local state without. Finish by signing into OneDrive again and choosing the folders to sync. Verify you have enough storage on the account. Make sure Windows Update and OneDrive are up to date and inspect firewall or antivirus rules that might block OneDrive. EXE allow it if needed. If connection still fails, create a new local Windows user and test OneDrive there. This isolates profile-level corruption. If that works, migrate data to the new profile, a reliable troubleshooting move when all else is exhausted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.